Hello, in front of me I've got GARMIN EDGE 540. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through this device. In the beginning, take a look at the homepage of this device. Right here you can manage your trip, navigation, training, calendar. You can set up group ride, check history, notifications, weather, and go to menu, or edit the main menu. Press this button to confirm. In activity profiles you can manage sensors, my stats, safety and tracking, connected features, battery saver, extended display, system settings, and connect app. To go back, press this button. If you press this button, you will start and stop. You go back to top of the screen. Press this button to start or stop training. Press this button to activate lab. In the end, press this button to turn it on or off. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.